Hi guys, welcome to another electronic clinic video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about the set and reset coils. So let's start the programming and see what's the difference between the set and the reset. Open winproladder, click on new. Again, you can select the type of PLC you want to be using. Okay, and okay. So over here you can see this is the set coil and this one is the reset coil. So let's click this one. For example, first let's select an input. For example, I want to use X0. Now click over here and select the set coil and enter and write Y0. Now click over here and X1, and you can also write R for the reset. So press R and write same output address Y0 and Y0. Okay, now let's run this and see what happens. Simulation, run PLC. If I turn on Y0, you can see that right now there is no input signal, but still the output is high. Now this output can only be turned off using the reset function. So if I press this one, now it's turned off. So any output, in simple words, any output that is turned on using the set coil output can only be turned off using the reset. Let me give you another example. For example, there is a switch which is connected to X2 and output Y1. Let's run this one. In this case, it's a normally open contact, so if I press this one, the output turns on. But if I turn off the switch, the output also turns off. But in this case, any output that is turned on using the set coil instruction can only be turned off using the reset coil instruction. So on and off. So that's how we can use the set and reset coil and PLC programming. In the upcoming tutorial, we will be using these two instructions in a project. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends, and thanks for watching.